There are plenty of people that don't want to be working retail or fast food or really going just to work every day. They want to work from home. Well, I agree. Not everybody should have to go to some place to work. So there are a lot of people that should just be able to work from home. There are not, however, a lot of ways to do it. So what I have done is I have grabbed 5 ways on how to work from home so that you can probably enjoy your life a little more. Are you guys ready for this? So before I get on, don't forget to like the video if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, link is down below to the merch store. Go get some great merch. So my list isn't a comprehensive list. There are plenty of websites that'll give you a very comprehensive list and guides on how to do it. And also, not everything on this list or on theirs is going to be the easiest thing to do, because some things require time and effort to do, and that means it's not going to happen immediately. First things first is going to be marketplaces. Marketplaces like Facebook Market, Mercari, eBay, Etsy. Places where you can make something or resell something that you have previously bought. Facebook, Mercari, and eBay, I would say, would be the main 3 for reselling things. Old clothes, old computer gear, old toys, anything that somebody else might like more. You're not going to get a lot of money out of this, but it is some pocket change that can help. Etsy, Mercari, Facebook, eBay can also be used to sell new things. For instance, you can 3D print some stuff and sell that off. Or there are people who are incredibly artistic that make something like this. Let me see if I can get it to... This is a little artisan keycap. This one is of Suicune, a Pokemon. And I have another one of the Alolan Ninetales currently actually on my keyboard, on my custom keyboard that I built on camera for you guys. So go check out that video if you guys want to see that. And there are plenty of things like that. There are stuff for Dungeons & Dragons, Warhammer, artisan keycaps. There are even people that sell 3D designs on Etsy. There is a huge assortment of things that you can buy on Etsy. Go take a look. It is actually very nice. Next is going to be being a content creator. This is one that's going to take a little bit more time. There are ways to make it faster. Don't ask me though, because most of you can probably tell, I still am not going to make any money off of this, other than if I resell something that I buy. And even then, that's just trying to recoup some money. But content creators do make a decent amount of money, not just through things like AdSense on YouTube or Twitch's AdSense, but through advertisers giving them money to advertise their products or show off programs. For instance, I think one of the YouTubers I watch for streaming gear, he get about $600 for the time he's talking about, because he actually explained all this. $600 for a ad spot from Elgato, and then he also got a link. And I think he got a commission off that link for how many times somebody clicked it or bought something using that link. There is also Instagram and Twitch. However, I think Instagram just got rid of their influencer monetization thing. Let me make sure. Yeah, you still can be. I don't know where I'm thinking of. Am I thinking of something else? I know somebody just got rid of their influencer program. Twitch would be the third one that I'm going to say. Twitch is a live streaming format that you can do. If I were to give my opinion to those starting out, you should be on as many programs as you can get on. YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, Twitter, all of them. In fact, I do have an Instagram account for this YouTube channel. I have a Twitch account for this channel, and I have a Twitter account for this channel. Twitter, Twitch, and Instagram accounts for this channel, just to try and get myself out there. But I will leave link below for you guys if you guys want to follow. Third one is going to be Fiverr. Fiverr gets its own little thing because it does a whole different kind of category than, say, eBay, Mercari, Facebook, all those guys. Fiverr, you can get an editor. If I wanted to, I could buy myself, for a YouTube video or a series of months of YouTube videos, an editor to edit my videos, toss them back at me so I can upload them and they look a lot better. If you can find a good editor though, that is the hard part. There are YouTube videos actually explaining how to find a good Fiverr editor to do your videos for you and there's things like that. It's very interesting. It's not something I'm quite there yet on. And honestly, I enjoy editing my own videos. You could also get a graphic designer. I had a graphic designer design my intro for this video you guys saw, even the previous one. I also had somebody design my logo. Fiverr artists are amazing, and finding amazing Fiverr artists for a lower price is sometimes really hard. But, however, there are also a lot of Fiverr artists who are on there and just use cookie cutter programs, so do be careful of that. If you're starting to see some Fiverr artists that all have the same kind of design in terms of what they offer, like for instance, this design is actually the exact same as the other one, they're using the same program, don't go to those guys. That's my 2 cents. Take it or leave it. You could also get a 3D printer designer. These guys will make designs of 3D prints for you to use in your 3D printer. It's not a very big thing, I don't imagine. I'm not positive. However, I have seen it be a thing, and it looks actually kind of interesting. If I had a 3D printer myself, I would get it. You could also do musicians. Musicians are honestly vibrant through Fiverr. Vibrant? Are just everywhere on Fiverr. And in fact, you can use them to get new music that you can use. Fourth one here is actually 2 different programs that I'm just putting under one because I think they're a little more similar than most people would honestly think. The first is internet surveys and the second is testing websites. The internet survey one's honestly a little more interesting to me just because you can do some surveys for different companies on what you like from different products. They are a little touchy sometimes, and sometimes they won't give you anything if you're not going to meet the demographic that they want. It's marketing, so you will have to deal with that. However, sites like Swagbucks, you get credit for doing surveys. You take that credit and you can get Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, Best Buy gift cards, things like that. And for testing websites, I don't know how many websites there are of this. The one that I know of would be usertesting.com. Yeah, usertestings.com, and you can be a website tester. And the 5th one is to be an Amazon seller. Now, how I find this to be different than the marketplace ones is because I'll explain it. You go out, you buy, say, 20 cents of plastic balls from, say, a Dollar General, Family Dollar, whatever, what have you. And you turn around, sell that bag of plastic balls to Amazon, and they get loaded into the warehouse. And then, and this is the reason you have it at the warehouse is that you aren't having to mail them out yourself, and that way they are in charge of it. And you charge that bag of balls, instead of being 20 cents, to be $1. That means you're getting 80 cents of profit, minus any kind of shipping things or taxes, yada. Hey, future Steven here. I'm currently editing the video that you were currently watching. Just a very quick thing here. I don't recommend what I'm talking about right now, just because I don't fully understand it, and I don't know if I don't feel like it's that ethical, but it did fit the video, so I'm going to leave it in there. Leave a comment down below if you guys agree with this idea or don't agree with this idea, but this will be in the final video, so we'll say about 60 cents then. 60 cents of profit per bag you sell. And those bags are going to sell quick. Bags of plastic balls are probably very popular, I'd imagine, if it's pretty cheap. But those were the 5 ways of making money online that I have found. What are some other ways? What are some ways that you guys have found to make money online? Leave them down below. I will love to read them, mostly because it helps give everybody a little bit of blood flowing on ideas of what they can do to make themselves independent and not have to go to their 9-to-5 job every day and get a paycheck. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like. Also subscribe to the channel, as well as go down below to that merch store and go get some great merch. If you guys enjoyed this video, how about you guys go check out when I rebranded my channel from what it used to be to the now Ridge Tech Gaming channel, and see how I went through the process of my, well, using Fiverr to become the YouTube channel I am today. Thank you guys again for tuning in, and have a good day.